Okay, that's too far. No, no. See, that's the pool. We don't want to go in there. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Oh, let me get your sister down. Okay. All right, this way. Mommy gotta fix the steak. There you go. Whee! What are you trying to find? Huh? Everything to put in your mouth. What's he doing, baby? You want to ring the doorbell? See if anybody's home? You want to brush Dakota? Good. Thank you. That helps out, Mommy. You going to brush him? Brush Dakota. Look at all those rocks, baby. Dakota. Dakota, you're on her finger. I know, he has big feet and they hurt. I know, baby, they hurt. I'm sorry. You okay? You okay? What are you doing in there? You want to go over there? It's your house? Let's go see if anybody's home. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Dakota stepped on her finger. And he's heavy. He's heavy. He weighs 120 pounds. Yeah, let's see if anybody's home. Who's there? You're telling Dakota out? Lots of hair. Pull, pull, pull. Thank you. You close the door?